Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. I hope everybody's doing great. Today's Saturday. I wanted to change things up a little bit. I wanted to, the way I've been recording, usually doing the charts, then going into the news. So I thought I would split those up. That way give you guys a choice as far as what you want to watch. So we'll do charts, and then I'll do other videos on news that's happening today, and we'll see if you guys like that. If you do, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll get into it right now. So let's take a look at the charts here. So looking at Bitcoin right now on the daily chart, we're looking that it is bouncing off of the kind of support right now, which is looking like it's right around the 44,600 mark. And we were kind of bouncing off of that. We bounced below it a little bit yesterday, but we bounced above it as well. And then we're bouncing up above it as well today. So we're kind of right in that 50-day range right now. And it looks like we are having our resistance right now at, roughly 46,700 mark, and our obviously support is at 44,600 right now. So we're bouncing between this channel the last couple of days, ever since we had the crash. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. Obviously, if it falls below this support right now at 44,600, then we may go down to possibly as low as the 38,000 mark in the coming days, weeks, if that happens. But right now the RSI is nice and low on the daily chart, so that leads me to think that we are still in the upward trajectory. Obviously we'll keep an eye on this and see what happens, but if we break above the 46,700, 800 line, we may go up. Right now the 20-day moving average is moving down, so we just don't want to see that cross the 50-day, obviously, because then that would be a bearish sign and we would probably fall even further. So there's Bitcoin. Right now it's trading at 45,551. It is up $700, about 1.56%. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is right now trading at 3,291. It is up 2.5%, up $82 in the last trading day. It is right now below our resistance, which is resistance around $3,300, and our support looks like currently is about the 3,000 mark. It has touched the 50-day moving average yesterday and bounced above it, which is a good sign, something we wanted to see. And then obviously the 20-day, it's been rejected by that the last couple of days. It's fallen below it. So we'll have to keep an eye on it as well, see what happens. Obviously the high that we reached here of 39,000 or 3,957 is what we're aiming for. Obviously we want to get past that in the coming days, weeks. RSI right now is at 47, so right in the middle. It's a good place to be right now. I think we're going to continue going up higher with Ethereum. We'll obviously have to keep an eye on it, but I don't see any reason why we would be falling right now, at least. Everything's kind of pointing towards the upward trajectory. It's going to be a slow path up, but we'll obviously get there, I think. But the charts will obviously tell us which direction we're going to go, so we'll keep an eye on it. We'll take a look at it tomorrow as well. And if anything changes throughout the day, I'll post an update on it. Let's take a look at Cardano right now. So Cardano is right now bouncing off of the support, which is at around $2.37. It is at $2.69 right now. It's up almost 13% at 12.88%. It is up 30 cents, and I think that's because the smart contracts update is coming up. It's going to go live tomorrow on Sunday. So that is actually really, really exciting. We want to kind of see what's going on with that as far as tomorrow when that happens, when it launches. What is the price action going to be like? Are we going to be able to pass our resistance here, which is at $2.96 roughly? If we can get past that, we're going to new all-time highs. The RSI right now is looking good, so I don't see why that won't happen. Obviously, we'll have to see tomorrow when it goes live. We do have some Cardano news for you guys in the next video coming up, so we'll talk a little bit more about the update coming up in that as well. But right now I just don't see any reason why it can't go up higher. Right now it's above the 20-day moving average, which is a good sign. 20-day moving average right now is around $2.60, and we're at $2.68 roughly. So I think we're going to do good with Cardano going forward here. I don't see any signs that would give us a reason to think we're going to go down on it. Litecoin has been trading off of the 50-day moving average. It's at 184.34 right now. It is up 0.81% on the day. And the resistance right now looks like the 20-day moving average, which is at 185. We're bouncing between the 20 and the 50-day moving averages right now. RSI is looking good as well on the daily chart. We're obviously at 51. We're a good place right now with that. It gives us plenty of room to go up, but we could also go down. But right now, I just don't see anything that would trigger us to go down. It is, as you can see right now, battling with that 20-day moving average. So if we can get past above that, I think we'll go up higher as well. Dogecoin, on the other hand, Dogecoin, it kind of looks like it wants to go down even further. It is at 24 cents right now. It is up almost 2% on the day. It's up half a penny, it looks like. But it looks like, based on this trend that we're seeing right here, it just looks like it wants to go down a little bit further, maybe to the 200-day moving average, touch that, and possibly bounce off of that as well. RSI is looking good. RSI is pretty low. It's 40 right now, roughly. So we'll keep an eye on this one as well. I don't see anything right now that would make us think it's going to go down. There's no real FUD going on or anything like that. There's nothing that would give us any indication of a price decline in the coming days. So this one might be just kind of trading flat for a little bit before it bounces back up, at least in my opinion. Obviously, do your own research, guys. Finally, we have the last two, which is Stellar. Stellar, I'm a little bit concerned about. It's below the 200-day, 50-day, and the 20-day moving averages. RSI is low. It's not low. It's in the middle. It's right around 46 on the daily chart. Stellar is at 32 cents right now. It is up 3%, 3.25% roughly. But we got denied yesterday trying to get past all the moving averages, the 50, 20, and the 200-day, and it came back down, which is a little concerning for me. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. We may see a little bit more of a pullback before we see more upside on it. But I think right now it looks like support is probably right around this mark here, which is, what is that? It's about 31 cents, 31.5 cents right now. It looks like support is right around there. And then resistance right now, there's no clear resistance mark that I can see. We may have some resistance here, it looks like, around the 33-cent mark. So we'll have to keep an eye on it to see where it goes from here. And then finally, we'll take a look at Solana. Solana has been obviously on a tear all along this past couple of weeks. It is right now at 181.56 or 61. It is up 1% roughly. It's up $2.10 in the last 24 hours. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. RSI is still really high. I still think we may see a pullback on it. I think it's just a little bit overbought right now. But we'll keep an eye on it. Obviously, we reached the high of $215 and this week. And then we're down to a low of yesterday to $167. And we had a little pullback here. So we'll have to keep an eye on that one as well. But yeah, that's it. There's nothing really in the news right now that would foreshadow a major fall in the markets. Obviously, things are always very active. We'll have to keep an eye on the news cycle, see what's going on out there, see if there's any FUD or anything that would trigger another slide down. Right now, I think the markets have been deleveraged because of the flash crash that we had on last Monday, Tuesday area. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know what you think in the comments down below as far as where Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, and Solana are going to go in the next couple of days, week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Until then.